Ever feel like money just disappears from your account each month? You check your bank statement, see a bunch of small charges, and have no idea where they're coming from? Streaming services, fitness apps, that random language learning course you haven't touched in months, subscriptions can be sneaky little buggers. They creep in, take their slice of your hard-earned cash, and sometimes you completely forget you're even paying for them. Well, what if there was a way to see all your subscriptions in one place, easily cancel the ones you don't use, and even get a refund on those forgotten charges? Enter Rocket Money, a financial app with a superpower, the ability to sniff out all your hidden subscriptions. But how exactly does it do that? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the not-so-secret world of financial data and see how Rocket Money uses it for good and to save you money. First things first, let's talk about your bank account. Every time you make a purchase, swipe your debit card, or set up a recurring payment, that transaction gets recorded. It's like a digital footprint, showing where your money goes. Now, banks don't necessarily categorize these transactions for you, although some do a better job than others. That's where Rocket Money comes in. Here's the magic: when you connect your bank account to Rocket Money, it securely accesses that transaction history. Using clever algorithms and some serious data analysis, Rocket Money can identify patterns. It looks for recurring charges, specific keywords associated with subscriptions, think Netflix, Hulu, or gym membership, and even analyzes the frequency and amount of the payments. Think of it like this: imagine your bank statement is a giant pile of clothes. Rocket Money comes along, sorts them by color and style, and pulls out all the matching pairs. But it doesn't stop there. Once Rocket Money identifies a potential subscription, it doesn't just throw it in a list and say good luck. It actually categorizes them: streaming services, memberships, and so on, making it easy for you to see exactly where your money is going. Now, here's the part where some folks get nervous. Security is a big concern, especially when it comes to your bank account. Let me assure you, Rocket Money uses the same high-level encryption that banks do to protect your information. They don't store your actual login credentials, just the transaction data needed to do their subscription sniffing magic. But what if you're still hesitant? The good news is that you can try Rocket Money's basic features for free. This includes subscription tracking, which is the star of the show today. You can see all your subscriptions listed out, analyze your spending habits, and make informed decisions about where to cut back. Of course, if you want the full Rocket Money experience, including bill negotiation and concierge cancellation services, where they actually contact the company and try to cancel the subscription for you, there's a premium subscription option. But hey, the free features alone can be a game changer, helping you identify those forgotten subscriptions and reclaim your hard-earned cash. So, there you have it. The mystery of how Rocket Money knows all your subscriptions is no longer a mystery. It's all about secure data access, clever algorithms, and a genuine desire to help you take control of your finances. With Rocket Money, you can finally see those sneaky subscriptions hiding in your bank statement, cancel the ones you don't use, and put that extra money towards something you actually want. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.